Hi everybody, it's Ace here with Ace's Takes. Welcome to my channel where we talk about the things we love to collect in our homes, specifically handbags, jewelry, knives, everyday carry things. Today we're doing an Hermes update. So I have been searching for an Hermes bag and I was able to secure one today. Very excited about it, and it will be here in a few days, but I wanted to talk about the bag because I have not found an online presence for this bag. It's the first time, and I shouldn't say bag because it's a to-go pouch, so it's like a wallet on a chain or a wallet with a strap, but it is the Charniere pouch. It's like the Kelly to-go or the Constance to-go. It's one of their to-go bags, but I have not seen anything online, videos, pictures, or images or anything. So I'm really excited that I was able to lock in a bag, and it should be here in a few days. And when it does come, I will do an unboxing. There is no strap length information online for it, but I will share what I have found. So the Charniere to-go pouch is in Madame Calfskin. It has the Charniere closure, which is a hinge. And so there's a large main compartment, as you can see. There are 3 credit card slots, and there's a removable strap, which means that you can carry it under your arm, you can carry it on your wrist, you can carry it over your shoulder, you can put it in your bag. I ordered the gold color with the yellow plated gold, and there were 4 versions. There was the tan with gold, there was tan with silver, and then there was a taupe with gold and a taupe with silver. And I was looking, I've been searching every day online for bags, and I went to just SLGs and I noticed it popped up. I also noticed a Kelly to go popped up, but I was too slow. Otherwise, I would have purchased that instantly. There was 1 Kelly to go. So I don't know when this bag was released or when this item was released, but I feel like it was released today because I cannot find any information about it. The bag is 8 inches long by 4.3 inches high and about 1¼ inches deep. So I have the chip wallet from Goyard, and it is very similar in size to that chip wallet, except it's a little bit shorter. Now there is a compartment in the middle, so there is a slot where you can put your phone. The website does list that you can fit a passport, you can fit a phone, and there is a zip for coins and cards as well. They did say that the clasp draws inspiration from their enamel bracelets and their vintage trunks. The hinge has this elegant clasp, goldsmith craftsmanship. It's constructed like a nice box, and the to-go reveals exceptional corner stitching with a savoir-faire, and it is elongated, and it is adorned with that removable strap. So I feel like it's going to be very similar to the Goyard that I have, except it's going to be Hermes, different leather, a little bit of a different shape, but the same idea. It retailed for $5,500. Now today is the day that the prices were supposed to increase based on the tariffs. And when I was looking at the other items that were available, the Kelly Depeche pouch, the prices did not change from what they were yesterday. So I do not know if things that they're going to be listing now will increase in price or if there was a delay. I'm not sure, but I have not seen any price increases myself. So I'd love to know, what questions do you have in particular so that when the item comes, I can answer those questions in the unboxing and give my first takes on it. Thanks for watching. Really excited about this. Can't wait to show you all.